there's a whole bunch of stuff to talk about with interstellar asteroids, but let's talk about one thing in particular, and that's how do we know it's an interstellar asteroid? We have evidence of a new interstellar asteroid. This is the third one we've detected. They call it 31 Atlas because Atlas was the telescope system that discovered it. And 31, I guess that was the 31 object. Now, right now, it's somewhere around Jupiter and it has some velocity. And the point is like, hey, it's moving too fast to be in our solar system, so it came from outside of the solar system. That doesn't make any sense, right? Let me give you an analogy. I made an analogy here. Here is a little bowl with a marble that rolls in it. Suppose I take my marble right there and I let go. That marble is going to roll down to the center, and as it does so, it's going to go 0 meters per second, 1 meter per second, 2 meters per second. It's going to speed up. But once it gets to the bottom, now it's going to roll up the bowl, and then it's going to go 1 and 0. It's going to end up at the same spot it ended up right there. That's just, right? That's just conservation of energy. It's not that big of a deal. Now imagine that I look at a marble, and it's right there. And that marble is moving at 10 meters per second. Well, if it's at 10 meters per second right there, it's going to get up to here at 10 meters per second, and then it's just going to keep on going. It's not going to stay in the bowl. It's going to fly out of the bowl, right? So that's the same thing with 31 Atlas. It's moving too fast to stay in the solar system bowl. And you can calculate the speed that you need to stay in the bowl of the solar system with this equation right here. This is the escape velocity. So in this equation, v is the velocity you need to leave, and 2 is the number 2, g is the universal gravitational constant, m is the mass of the thing you're trying to escape. So this would be the sun, and r is the distance from that object. So it depends where you're at. The further you are from that object, the easier it is to escape. But that's how we know it's an interstellar object, and it's kind of cool.